Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to set aspect ratios. Let's try it together. Enter Interior Design. Select Render from the left toolbar. After entering the render page, firstly, you need to click on the composition lines in the lower right corner of the page, which will help you to better lay out your rendered scene using the rule of thirds or golden triangles composition. Then click Aspect Ratios in the Basic Settings panel on the left. There are 5 aspect ratios to choose from: 16:9, 9:16, 4:3, 3:4, 1:1. You can choose the appropriate aspect ratio according to the design scene. Different aspect ratios are suitable for different scenarios, which will be demonstrated below. 16:9 aspect ratio, most universal, suitable for wide living rooms or open spaces. 9:16 aspect ratio, suitable for vertical lines, corridors, single wall designs. Use layered composition with the subject in the middle or upper third. 4:3 aspect ratio, suitable for single room panoramas and mixed presentation of soft decoration details. 3:4 aspect ratio, suitable for vertical space proportioned bedrooms or study corners. 1:1 aspect ratio, suitable for symmetrical, centered compositions and single furniture close-ups. That's all. Thanks for watching.